this demonstration, I'll show how to embed CenterView KPIs and pages in the SharePoint application server. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install the CenterView Web part into the SharePoint application server. I have copied the SharePoint installation onto the SharePoint server, and I'm going to execute the setup to perform the installation. The installation is very simple and it is complete. Okay, now that the CenterView web part has been installed, I can now view that web part by going to look at the different web parts in the administrator. I'm logged in as administrator. I'm now going to click on Web Parts, and as you can see, the CenterView Page Viewer web part has been installed, and I can modify it and give it a name, change the name, and I can also define where I would like it, what group I want it to live in, and other parameters, manage permissions. Okay, so now the web part is installed, I am going to open up on my local machine a web browser, and I had previously created a page on that SharePoint server, and now I'm going to add a CenterView web part to this page. So I'm going to select where I would like it to live, and in the list of web parts I will scroll down and find the CenterView web part, and I will add it to the page. Okay, now I'm going to start up CenterView on my local machine, my local server, and I'm going to have SharePoint point to this application server. Now I'm going to edit the SharePoint web part, and when I edit it, I can set the address where the CenterView server is running, which I just started. And it has connected to the CenterView server, and is giving me a list of available dashboards. I'll go ahead and select the sampler dashboard, and you can choose either KPIs or pages that you want to display, and I'll go ahead and pick one. And I can give this web part a title. And we'll set the size, and we'll give it a width, and apply that. Okay, so there's the KPI, and now I'm going to add one more. Scroll down to the CenterView web part, and again we'll edit that web part. And we can change the address to point to a different CenterView server, but we're going to use the same one. And well, let's choose a page this time instead of a KPI. So as I choose a page, it switches to give me a list of pages, and we'll select one, and we'll give it a title. We'll set its width, set its height, and apply that. Okay, so now we have embedded in our page a KPI and a page from CenterView. And that is how you do that in SharePoint. Thank you.